Stock investing for beginners. This week, 7 companies gonna be reported earnings, and I'm gonna look at these companies and I'm gonna tell you which ones are my favorites and how to know if it's a great company. And we're gonna look at this week economic calendar and how is it going to be, what could happen to the stock markets. Welcome to World Traveling Millionaire Stock Investor and Option Trader channel. Where are you watching from? Comment down below. S&P 500 is up 1.81% in one day on April 11, Friday. Over the past 5 days, it was up, so could it be the start of the next rally? And 1 month it stayed down, but it's alright. We just need another 1 or 2 more days of up, green days. And year to date is down 8.61% and never miss 10 best trading days. We had 2 best trading days, but they are not continuously back to back. I like to see it every single day, consecutive day of 10 best trading days. Then this will be wiped out. Like it's just gonna become and positive, right? So never miss 10 best trading days. And 5 years, it stayed pretty good return, 86.5% S&P 500. Nasdaq up 2.06% in one day, 5 days 11.66%, and 1 month almost gone. Just need 1 or 2 more days. Then year to date 13.26%. Yeah, it's alright. If we have 8 consecutive days of positive days, then that will be great. It's just gonna become break even or even better positive. 5 years 93.34%. Dow Jones 1.56% up, 5 days up from now, and 1 month it stayed down a little bit. Year to date 5.14%, not a big deal. It's gonna take another 5 or 7 days of positive days. 5 years 65.8%. So what happened last week? Last week, optimism index dropped. Forecasted to be 98.7%, and then 97.4%. The previous week, 100.7. So yeah, definitely optimism dropped. And CPI was better than expected. Year over year, 2.4% versus forecast of 2.6%. And the previous week, 2.8%. Core CPI year over year, 2.8% compared to 3%. Yeah, better. And some people say this could be the last CPI data better than expected. So the next month it could be worse because of President Trump's tariff. So what do you think? Do you think it's gonna be worse next month? The CPI, comment down below. And Friday, PPI better than expected, 0.1 versus 0.3%. Yep, so not bad. Consumer sentiment dropped. Look at that, 54.6, 50.8. Now President Trump became the president, and it started dropping like a rock. The previous week, 57. Consumer sentiment. Nobody wants to feel cool about economy, so they're gonna save money, and because they are worried about jobs, they are worried about inflation due to tariff. So if they save money, the demand is gonna be less. If demand is less, it's not going to be good for companies. Then after that, recession, right? So it could impact the stock market a little bit. So how about this week, this coming week? What's new? This coming week, import price index. I'm not sure if it's going to reflect right here, the tariff, probably next month. So it will be interesting to see how it's going to be this month. The price index, the import price, has it gone up because of tariff? Or could it be the same, as the previous? The forecasted to be lower than the previous month, 0.1%. It will be interesting to see it. So retail say, let's see if people stay shopping or they just no longer want to shop anymore. Jobless claims. Hey, I read the news that small and medium-sized companies, they are downsizing. They are firing people because of high import costs, and they are losing businesses. So let's see how it's going to be. Could it be worse? Could it be good? If it's really bad, 2 things can happen. if stock market expect the Federal Reserve to cut the interest rate and take it as a positive news, stock market could go up. If they are so scared, or it's totally worse than expected, the Trump tariff, so many hundreds of millions of people lost their job, that in that situation, the stock market could go down. So which direction do you think it could go? Do you think the jobless claims, stock markets will be up, or do you think stock market will be down on Thursday? Comment down below. So yeah, it's pretty quiet week compared to the last week, but the main news will be the tariff. See how China and US try to retaliate each other. If it's really get worse, then we are expecting the stock market to go down a little bit. But I think that there is a higher chance of upside in the stock market. So let's see. Yeah. So Tuesday and Wednesday, Thursday will be interesting. Yeah, this coming week. So stock number 7 that's going to be reported earnings this week is Goldman Sachs. Goldman Sachs is a great company. Year to date is down 14.01%. 5 year is beat S&P 500. So I just prefer not to be in the banking business. So that's why I don't want to buy it. So if I really want a banking business, Goldman Sachs will be one of the top companies that I will be buying. But no, I don't want to be in the banking, and I believe that their trading revenues will be up because of the volatility. And let's see how they report. But I'm sure that their investment business, mergers and acquisition, IPO business could be down because of uncertainty created by President Trump. So what do you think? Do you think Goldman Sachs could go up or down after the earnings report? And let's see. Bank of America, I always sold this stock a long time ago. I call it $35 stock because it always goes back to $35 no matter how long you hold it. It's a good company, but I don't want to be in the banking business, so I don't want to buy it. It doesn't beat S&P 500, so I don't want to buy any companies that doesn't beat S&P 500. Okay, so it up to 46, down, then after that it down to 35. See, 28. Then it was below 30 for a long time. Then it went up. Then after that it went down to 30, below 30 there. So it's $35 stock. Yeah. So United Airlines is down at 31.26%. 5 year is better than S&P 500, but I don't want to be in airline business. When was the last time you told yourself, I'm just gonna take United Airlines without checking the price? No, right? Most people, they just gonna compare the prices, see which one is cheaper and which one has the shortest time, shortest layover. Yeah, that's how they shop for the flight tickets. So this is a commodity. So much competition, unstable revenue, unstable cost. It can impact anything. They have no control over economy. So I don't like to buy United Airlines. With now tariff and United States reputation on immigration, being so strict, the immigration is so strict on European traveler. Canadians are boycotting US travel. Europeans, Germany's, a few other countries are issuing travel advisory for United States. So travel is down, right? Traveling to United States is down. So I expect this travel industry starts to be impacted. So I believe it's a higher chance to go down after the earnings. Stock number 4, ASML. I love this business. They make semiconductor equipment, and they beat S&P 500 5 years. Look at that. And yeah, so 5 criteria. Does it beat S&P 500? Yes. Second criteria that I look at is, has it been in the business for at least 10 years? Yes. If you are not sure, you can check it right here, 1984. Or has it been, the third criteria will be, has it been a public company for at least 5 years? Yes, it has been a public company for a long time. Number 4, do I like this business? Yes, it manufactures very high tech semiconductor equipment. It's like a monopoly, so I love it. Number 5, do they have a great balance sheet, financial statements? Yes. So this is a very yes business for me. This is not financial advice, okay? I'm just telling you what I like. I'm not telling you to buy or sell any stocks. You just make your own decision. And next one, DSM. DSM, Taiwan Semiconductor stock down 22.08%, and our value, in my opinion, 5-year 192.57%. Beat S&P 500, definitely. So lots of companies like Nvidia, Micron, all the semiconductor designer company, they order from TSM. TSM, right? This TSM has very great equipment to fabrication, to manufacture great chips. So yeah, I love it. So it meets all my 5 criteria. And yeah, so let's see. United Health up 18.82% year to date. 5-year, it beat S&P 500. Yes, United had a scandal this year, like their financial statement was somehow fraudulent or something like that. So I usually don't like to buy companies with the accounting manipulations news when they come up. But I think this is a very too big to fail. This is tariff proof. It's an insurance company, so there's no tariff. So in that situation, yeah, that's what people are buying. So 18.82% is up, right? So yeah, it's a good company in my opinion. And I'm gonna tell you which company I like the most at the end of the video. Stock number 1, Netflix, up 3.156%. It's tariff proof for now. But in case if Europe or China or any other big countries impose service import tax on Netflix, then it could be impacted. 5-year beat S&P 500. I'm okay not buying this business. Okay, I prefer. It's okay for me not to own it. So I like to own other businesses. So, but I think it could be up. It could be up. Yeah. So which stock do you like the most? Comment down below. So which are my favorite stocks for today? I like DSM. I like ASML. Goldman Sachs maybe yes, but my favorite would be just ASM and TSM. That's it. That would be it. If you have any question, comment down below. If you want to get started now, open and trading account, stock trading, option trading, go to my YouTube channel, any YouTube video, get the link down below in the description, comment down below. If you want to learn more about stock investing, call option, put options, invest option, and how to change your life and attain financial freedom, time freedom, location freedom, go to my channel, subscribe, go to my playlist. You can learn everything about financial freedom, time freedom, location freedom, and yeah, share, subscribe. I will see you in the next video.